Right now, a St. Louis man waits in prison while his overturned conviction is in limbo. Christopher Dunn was ready to be a free man after 34 years, but now he's behind bars a little bit longer. Thank you for joining us. I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. A judge said Dunn was supposed to be released 24 hours ago, but the Missouri Supreme Court stands in the way at the request of the Attorney General. Our Justina Cornell joins us in studio with more details on this legal battle. Justina.
Well, Christopher Dunn's wife and family were waiting outside the prison for his release when they learned the Missouri Supreme Court issued a stay. Tonight, we hear from two criminal justice experts explaining why this has been such a roller coaster of a case.
He's 50 feet from the door in his suit, and he can't come out. It was devastating.
In all her years of teaching criminal justice, St. Louis University professor Kenya Brumfield-Young has never seen such a fight to appeal an overturned conviction.
As egregious as wrongful conviction is, they do happen.
She's dedicated time in the Christopher Dunn case. In 1990, he was convicted of murder of a 15-year-old in North St. Louis City. And this week, a judge said Dunn could be set free after reviewing his case and claiming innocence. However, the Attorney General appealed.
And the statute doesn't have an avenue for the Attorney General to appeal. He appeals anyway.
An emergency meeting was held Wednesday and Dunn was ordered to be released again. But the Missouri Supreme Court stalled it this time because the AG asked for more time. After a wave of changes, Brumfield-Young spoke to Dunn Thursday morning.
He's still processing it emotionally. He's still very optimistic, but it was a roller coaster for him too.
Retired Missouri Supreme Court Judge Michael Wolf believes the court will respond quickly after the briefs are submitted by Monday.
When it comes to the Supreme Court, the question is going to be, well, what business does the Attorney General have in this case?
The question comes, why is there such a push for the AG to stall? Wolf believes they may want to defend the integrity of the original judgment.
But not all judgments are correct.
Brumfield-Young agrees.
I think it's important to them to feel like they've upheld the rule of law at the original trial and conviction.
However, in her eyes, true justice looks a bit different.
I think in situations like this, I don't think it lends to actual justice prevailing because justice is not innocent people sitting in prison while they've been found not guilty.
And after reaching out to the AG's office asking why they want to stall this case or any others, we received this response within the last hour saying, quote, throughout the appeals process, multiple courts have affirmed Christopher Dunn's murder conviction. We will always fight for the rule of law and to obtain justice for victims.